Here's a bombshell that's rocking the legal world. A federal judge has just ruled that the top federal prosecutor in Los Angeles has been serving unlawfully for months. But here's where it gets controversial. This isn't just about one prosecutor. It's part of a broader pattern under the Trump administration to keep acting officials in place, seemingly sidestepping the Senate's confirmation process. Could this be a deliberate strategy or just bureaucratic maneuvering gone awry? Let's dive in. On Tuesday, U.S. District Judge Michael Seabright delivered a decisive blow to the Justice Department's efforts in Los Angeles. He ruled that acting U.S. Attorney Bill Essayli, who oversees the Central District of California, has been unlawfully serving in his role since July 29, 2025. Essayli, a former California Republican state lawmaker, was initially appointed as an interim U.S. attorney in April, a position typically limited to 120 days. And this is the part most people miss. Just days before his term expired, Essayli resigned, only to be immediately named First Assistant U.S. Attorney by Attorney General Pam Bondi. Under federal law, the first assistant steps into the acting role when there's a vacancy. But Judge Seabright wasn't buying it. Seabright declared the move unlawful, stating that only the first assistant already in place when the vacancy occurs is eligible to become the acting chief. In his ruling, Seabright wrote, simply stated, Essayli unlawfully assumed the role of acting United States Attorney. He is disqualified from serving in that role. While Essayli can remain as first assistant, he's barred from performing the duties of the acting U.S. Attorney. This ruling not only halts Essayli's involvement in prosecuting 3 individuals charged with gun crimes, but also raises questions about the legitimacy of other cases he's handled. Here's the bigger picture. The Trump administration has repeatedly sought to keep federal prosecutors in temporary roles across several states, often for months at a time. Critics argue this is an attempt to bypass the Senate, which confirms permanent U.S. attorneys, and the federal judiciary, which can extend interim terms. Essayli isn't alone in this predicament. Acting U.S. attorneys Alina Habba in New Jersey and Sigal Chattah in Nevada have faced similar disqualifications, though Chattah's case is on hold pending appeal. But here's the twist. Even Trump's political opponents, like former SBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James, are challenging the appointment of acting U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan in Virginia. This isn't just a partisan issue, it's a constitutional one. So, what's at stake? The integrity of the justice system. For starters, if acting officials can serve indefinitely without Senate confirmation, it undermines the checks and balances designed to ensure accountability. But here's the question we're left with. Is this a calculated strategy to consolidate power, or a series of procedural missteps? Let us know what you think in the comments. This is one debate that's far from over.